To host a guided viewing session, tap the Guided Viewing button in the top right corner. Here, create a session ID by pressing the text box or simply use the one provided. You are able to disable both voice chat and the ability for viewers to teleport inside the experience before entering the guided viewing session by pressing the corresponding toggles. You can share the session ID to viewers, allowing them to join the guided viewing by pressing the Invite button. Once ready, press Start Session. Simply select the model you would like to view. Before pressing Confirm, make sure all users are within the floor plan space. This ensures the viewer remains in the experience. Once again, you can toggle the ability for voice chat and user teleportation by pressing the Settings button in the top left corner. Next, select a room and press Confirm. You can see what other users are viewing by pressing the button in the bottom right corner. Here, simply select which user's views you would like to see. At any time, you can change rooms by pressing the location icon in the bottom right-hand corner and selecting a room and pressing Confirm. Note this will occur for all users in the guided viewing session.